Good morning student. We started chapter 12 electricity and today we are going to see the topic resistance of a system of resistor. Now definition of resistor first. It is an electronic component. It is an electronic component which resists or oppose the flow of electrons. Flow of electrons, you can write here current also. The resistor is a component which has some resistance, and what is the function of resistor? To oppose the flow of current. Now these resistors are combined in two ways. Two way of combination. First, series connection, and other is the parallel connection. In board exam, one topic from these two ask for the 4 marks. Okay? These are the important topics: series connection and parallel connection of resistor. Now note down first. Now we will see series connection. Resistors in series. When two or more resistance connected end to end, then this type of arrangement is called when two or more resistance connected end to end, then this type of arrangement is called series connection. Note down, I want to draw a diagram for the series connection. Now diagram is important. This is symbol for resistor. These are the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected in series end to end. Connected end to end. This is called the series connection. We complete the circuit. Ammeter, which measures the current flowing through the circuit. Battery. Key. Correct. Now in this circuit we have used R1, R2 and R3, three resistor. Now what is equivalent resistor? In place of R1, R2, R3, we use only one resistor denoted by RS. S for the series connection. Using the 3 R1, R2, R3, we have to use only one resistor Rs in place of these 3. Then our circuit will be short. Here ammeter same as battery, key, and we complete the circuit. Positive, negative, current I flowing through the circuit. Let us see this two circuit. Here we have to use 3. In place of 3 there are 100 resistors also. Then in place of 100 resistor we have to put only one resistor. Then what is the value of this resistor? We have to calculate now. This is the equivalent circuit. This is called the equivalent circuit for this circuit. Now in this circuit the current is flowing through R1, R2, R3. Now for the path of current, this path of the current is same. This I is flowing through this one also, this one and this one. Means from all the resistor, current value is same. Current is same for all R1, R2 and R3. But what about the potential difference? The potential difference is different. Potential difference across R1 is denoted by V1. Potential difference across R2 is denoted by V2, and potential difference across R3 denoted by letter V3. Different potential difference V1, V2, V3. Current flowing through the circuit is same because the path of the current not change, but V1, V2 and V3 is different for resistor R1, R2 and R3. From this circuit we can write V is equal to, this potential difference is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, equation number 1. Correct? The sum of the all potential difference across the resistor R1, R2, R3 is equal to the potential difference V. Using Ohm's law, we have to find the value of V, value of V1, V2 and V3. After find the value of V1, V2, V3, put all the values in equation 1. Correct? Now using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Now V1 is equal to, what is the V1? Potential difference now here potential difference across R1 is, potential difference across R1 is denoted by V1 is equal to, what is the formula? V is equal to IR. I is same for all, so we write only I, and in place of R we write here R1. Same potential difference across R2 is V2 I R2, and again we have to find potential difference across R3 is denoted by V3 is equal to IR3. Correct? Now put all the values of V, V1, V2 and V3 in equation number 1. Then we rub this one. Put all the values in equation 1. What is the value of V? V is equal to IR. We write here RS, S for the series, is equal to, what is the value of V1? IR1, IR2, IR3. Taking I common, R1 plus R2 plus R3, I get cancelled, and finally we get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the equivalent resistance for the series connection R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means what? If R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 2 ohm and R3 is equal to 1 ohm. These are the different values for the resistor R1, R2 and R3. Then what will be the value of RS? RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then we have to take a resistor which has value 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8 ohm. Correct? Means in place of this 3 resistor, we have to use only one resistor of value 8 ohm. This all about the series connection. This one is the diagram. In this diagram, current is same for all the resistor R1, R2 and R3. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. The sum of the all potential difference across R1, R2, R3 is equal to V. Final answer RS equivalent resistance for the series connection is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And here the value of RS is always greater than that the single resistance. Means see, 8 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 2 and 8 is greater than 1. Means equivalent resistance is always greater than as compared to the single resistance. Correct? Here we completed the topic. Now we see example on this topic. Open page number 212, example 12.7. An electric lamp, example 12.7. We write first given things. An electric lamp resistance 20 ohm, conductor resistance 4 ohm, then 2 R, so we have to write R1 and R2. Are connected to 6 volt battery. V is equal to 6 volt. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance means RS. The current through the circuit, capital I, we have to find. And the potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. The potential difference across electric lamp denoted by V1 and conductor denoted by the V2. We have to find these all the things. Then V1 and V2. The value of V1 and V2 we have to find such that the addition of V1 V2 is equal to V. Correct? Now draw diagram first. Resistor 4 ohm, 1 electric bulb, key, ammeter, battery, correct? Here 20 ohm current is flowing through the circuit. This is the same as series connection. These two are connected in the series, end to end. Then V1 and here V2. Potential difference across the lamp 20 ohm, and this is the conductor. Current is same for this both the appliances, because for the current there is only one path to flow. So current is flowing through these two, conductor and lamp is same. Potential difference is different one. Now solution. What is the formula for equivalent resistance of the series connection? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. What is the value of R1? 20. R2 4. 24 ohm. Rs is equal to 24 ohm. Now I. Using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Consider equivalent resistance. V 6 volt. Current we have to find, and what about the resistance? We have to consider here Rs, because we have to find the current for whole the circuit. Then Rs is equal to 24. 6 upon 24 is equal to I. 1 by 4. I is equal to 1 by 4 means 0.25. It is in ampere. Note down. Now I also find. Now we have to find the V1 and V2. Note down first. Okay, I have here C5. Using Ohm's law, we write V1 is equal to IR1. V1 is equal to IR1 and V2 is equal to IR2. Correct? What is the value of V1? We have to find here. I is equal to 0.25 and R1 is equal to 20. V1 is equal to, how we write 25? 25 upon 100 into 20. V1 is equal to 20 5s are 5 5s are 5 volt. Then without calculating this one, can you tell the answer for this? Suppose V1 is equal to 5 volt. Total volt is the 6 volt. Then what will be the value of V2? Correct, 1 volt. Now we check by solving this one. V2 is equal to 0.25, R2 4 ohm, 0.25, 25 upon 100 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 25s are 25 upon 25, 1. Therefore, V2 is equal to 1 volt. Then our answer is correct. 5 volt plus 1 volt is equal to 6 volt. Note down. Now in next video we will see resistors in parallel. Thank you.